Chitra. Today I am going to share some tips and the process of easy acrylic painting. In this one I am using these 5 colors: Prussian blue, cobalt blue, titanium white, sallow turquoise and ivory black. The brushes I am using: round brush number 3, fan brush number 12 and flash brush number 12. This canvas size is 7.9 inch. So let's begin. As a medium I am using acrylic gel. You can use water also. With the fan brush, try to blend the colors very softly. And spray some white colors as stars. Keep it for 5 minutes and let it dry. After the ground, try to paint anything which is easy for you. Some highlights to get more nice feel. I hope this video is helpful for you. I will list all the supplies what I use and you may need in the description. Thank you for watching.